When you're having a party, keep that party bar simple. And the simplest thing to do is make a party punch. This is a great one. Take you 5 minutes to throw it together. Oranges, slice them, throw them in the freezer so they're cold. Cranberries, either buy them frozen or if they're fresh, throw them in the freezer on a single layer on your sheet. Get them frozen. Make sure your bubbles are cold, 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 and the cranberry juice is cold. There's no ice in this punch, nothing to melt or dilute the punch, but also nothing to keep it really cold. So you've got to make sure that all of your items are cold. You're going to add Cointreau, which is an orange liqueur, enhance the orange flavor, put it all in your punch bowl, and you've got a party.